I am super excited about today's unboxing. We got a huge, big old package here. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing, and I'll show you in a minute what it's in it. Oh, buddy. Should I? Man, I don't know whether to just like pull it out and show you, or if I should just like 3, 2, 1, and there you go. But that is not all. It's not just, I'm not just improving the background of the set. We have a very special and great and wonderful episode today. In this box, I have my new computer parts. And here's the thing. As a YouTuber and as a filmmaker in general, you need a very powerful machine to edit the videos, especially if you're recording in 4K like I am. My current setup, my current CPU, motherboard, are 2 years old. Today, you get to see me and join with me in rebuilding my PC. So in here we have i7. This is an 8700K. Great processor, really powerful. A Maximus 10 Hero. So let's get started. There you have it. That is how a system rebuild goes. I was super excited to be able to go through that with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Now, I do want to talk really briefly about what are some reasons to upgrade your system. Anytime your system is not quite performing up to par or doing what you want it to, and you know there's newer hardware out there, it's probably a reason to upgrade. Again, my CPU and my motherboard were both 2 years old. There's a lot better and later newer equipment out there that I wanted to get up to. I really enjoyed making this video. Again, it wasn't my typical unboxing, but I do want to start working with my computer a little bit more, and I'm glad I was able to share that with you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, guys. Smash it if that's something that you are into. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.